this girl and the boy, they are actually applying for the glue on the top of the battery cell. So because right now they are in mass production, they have like work 2 shifts, so that's why there's 2 operators over here. So this foam, I think I'll give you a closer look. This looks like this. It's kind of like a double adhesive on the 2 sides. So operators will apply the glue on the top of the battery cell, and then the robot arm will grab the battery cell and then place them onto the stacking table. Engineer is working busy right now. Okay, next one. This part is really fancy part, okay? The first robot arm will grab the 4 battery cell with the glue on the top, of course, and then place them onto the stacking table. Also for this stacking table, we actually have like 2 layers. So when the top layer is being full with the battery cell, the top layer will transfer from position A to position B. Then moving forward. Oh, and then here is the material card we usually will provide to our client to, for the operator to storage some of the components they're gonna use. Okay, for the next one, this will be the one, or this will be the part that most operator involved, that will be pressing workstation. So the battery module, that robot arm will grab the battery modules being stacked and then place them into the pressing table workstation. Because this, like I mentioned in the beginning of this line, is 12 ppm, which means we have like 1, 2, 3, 4 pressing workstation. So this operator will install the 2 steel belt on the top of the pressing table and then press the button, and then we have like a mechanism over here. You can actually automatically press the battery into a certain level.